Our friends at Mother's Polish are now the official car care sponsors of Donut.
And to celebrate, we're gonna do the unthinkable, the impossible. We're gonna deep clean High Truck.
What? Justin, there's no way. We would need a professional to detail this.
Nope, we just need Mother's.
But dude, these tires are gnarly.
Mother's Back to Black Tire Cleaner is specially formulated to dissolve dirt, crud, and gunk, leaving your tires looking fresh.
Speaking of fresh, we should get new light covers. Those things look nasty.
Just hit them with some Mother's Speed Foaming Bug and Tar Remover, and they're good as new.
Okay, fine. Anyone can clean lights and tires, but you'd need a professional to clean the body.
Not when we have Mother's California Gold Carnauba Wash and Wax with just...
Oh, so let me guess, with just a bucket and a mitt, I can get that fresh wax glow?
Who said anything about a bucket and mitt?
Oh, God.
Now let's finish this thing off with Mother's Speed Tire Shine. But first, safety, because this thing's about to shine.
Oh, come on, man. This is ridiculous!
Mother's Polish. It can get your vehicle so clean, it'll blow your mind. For more information, click the link below.